सिविक्स सोशल साइंस की सोशल एंड पॉलिटिकल लाइफ। सिविक्स को देख लेते हैं। सिविक्स पार्ट 1, सोशल साइंस पार्ट 3। Contact. Unit 1 diversity and second governance and third local governance and administration, fourth livelihood. Preamble of the Constitution. Unit 1 diversity. Chapter number 1, understanding diversity. Look around you in the classrooms and do you see anyone and who looks extremely like you do? Extremely like you do. Chapter you will learn that the pupils are different from each others in many ways. Not only do they looks and the different, but they the might also belongs. Might also belonging. Might also belonging to the different regions, cultures, all the religions and backgrounds. And thus the different enrich our the lives and in many the ways and also the makes them more fun. And all thus the different peoples and who come and from all kinds of the backgrounds and belongings to all kinds of the religious and cultures and help to the make India show the interesting and show the diverse. And what does diversities aid to the our lives and how did India's and becomes like this and are all kinds of the different part of the diversities and can diversity also be other part of the unity. And read this chapter to find out some answers. Three children around years ago and have the drawn the figures and above use the empty and box to the draw and you are the human's life figures and is your drawing similar to any of the others and the chances are that yours the drawing is equal different from the others and three which and you can see the equals different from the each others and this is about and each one of us and have the unique drawing styling and we not only don't and look extremely like each others and but also also differs in terms of the language, and B speaks our the cultures and backgrounds and the religious rituals, and we observe, and of course the way we draw. Fill out the following information about yourself. And when I go out and I like wearing at home and I speak in my favorite sports is reading books about and screaming out the evenings and headlines in other mixtures of Hindi and English words. And this times and I stood by the pavement and asked for the Hindi papers, and his the mouth fell open. You mean you know and Hindi? And he asked, and of course I said as I paid for the papers. And why, what did you think? And he pews. And but you look and so the agrees. And he said, you mean you can even read Hindis? And of course I can, I said this times a little impatiently, and I can speak read. Now ask your teachers and to help you check and how many of you have similar answers. Is there anyone? Is there anyone and whom list and matches yours the extremely? Extremely. Extremely. Extremely probably and not, and but many of you may have similars and answer. And how many likes the readings the some kinds of the books, and how many the different languages are spoken by the student in our the class. By now you must have the recognize the many ways in which and you are the quite like some of the yours and classmates, and other ways in which you are the different from them, and making friends. And do you think it would be the easy for you to make friends with someone and who was very the different and from you? Why now you must have the recognize and the many ways in which we who are in which you are the quiet and like some of your classmates, and the others ways in which you are the different from them, making friends. And do you think it and would be the easy for you to make friends with someone you who was very different from you? And read the following stories and think about this. I have made it as other jokes a joke and made up for other small tricked and boy who sold newspaper at the Janpat crossings at the busy interactions, and every time I cycled past he would run after me holding and out the English paper and write Hindis in some of the subjects. Hindi is some of the subject I study in school and subjected. He asked, He asked how could and I explained what the subject and was to the someone and who had never been to schools. And when it is the somethings and I began but the lights changes and are the hawking behind and me grow. Me grey are the hundredfold and I let myself be pushed along with the rest of the traffic. Go! The next day and he was there the began the again and smiling at me and the holdings out other Hindi papers and bhaiya and he said आपका अखबार अब बताइए ये सब्जेक्ट क्या चीज़ है and the English word and surrounded strength strings and on his the tongue and it sounded and like it's the other's meaning in English to be the ruled by the someone's and is and oh it is just something and to study I said and then the because the red lights and had come on I asked him and have you ever been to school never the answer and he added the probably and I began working when I was so high. I was so high and he the misers and hummed himself and he against my the cycle seat and first my the mothers and used to the come with me but I can do and it all alone. Where is your mother's now and I asked but then and the lights and changed and I was off and I heard him eat and from the some bears behind me and see in the mirror and with the rest was the brunette and out. My name is the Samir and he said the next day and very the Shulis. Shuli he asked and what the yours and it was the incredibles and my the bicycles and bobbled. My name is Samir. My name is Samir and too I said and what his the eyes and lit up and yes I agreed. Yes I grenade. Yes I grenade at him and it's the another's. It's another name for the Hanumans and fathers and you now and so now. You now and so now you are the Samir and ek or I am the Samir though. He said trumpetly and sometimes like that. Trimpantly and sometimes like that. I answer and then I held. Then I held out my hand and Hath Milao and Samir though. His hand nestly and in the mine and like the little bird.
हैं मैं रखे रही मेरे दैया मैं मेरे साथ पकड़ में बहुत डर लग रहा था मैं आप छोड़ काम के
He had Nestle in mind like other little birds and I could steal and feel it's the warmth and as I the cycle away. The next day he did not have his the usuals and smile for him and there is troubles in Meerut and he said many the pupils are beings and asked. Being killed and there in the road and I looked at the headlines and the communal routes and it blazed and but the Samir I begins and I am the Muslim Samir and he said in the answers. And all my the pupils and are in merit and his the eyes. His eyes filled in the tires and when I the touch and his the shoulders. He would not look up. He was not. At the crossing the day after. Day after either the day and after the nor and evers again. Evers again and no newspapers in English or Hindi and can tell me where's my Samir do. Do have gone. Name three ways in which the Samirs and एक और Samir दो were the different. Did thus. This does the different prevents and them from the becoming friends. Becoming friends. While Samirs and एक is more the families. Familiar with English, Samirs and do the speak Hindi and although they both are the modes and aid the home in different language. They still communals. They still communicated and with the each others and they made. They made the effort and to do so because and this was what was the important and to them. Important to them. Samir एक और Samir दो also come from the different religions and cultures and backgrounds. And while Samir एक is the Hindus and Samir दो is the Muslims and different religion and cultures and background such as they are thus are in the aspect of diversity. Make a list of the festivals and that might have been celebrated by the two and the boys and Samir एक और Samir दो and can you the things and of other situation in which and you can think and the situations and in you made friends and with the someone and who was very different. Who was very different and from you and write a story that describe this. In addition to there the diverse and religions and cultures backgrounds and there are the others ways in which Samir and Ek and the Samir do you different from each other. Do you different from each others and for example while Samir Ek goes and to the school and Samir those gives the sale newspapers. And why do you think and Samir do did and not the attend school and do you think and it would have been easy for him and to attend schools and if he wanted to. In your opinion is it other pair? It is other pairs and situation and that the some children get to go to the schools and other don't. Samir do and do not have the opportunities to attend the school and perhaps and you have noted that there are the several pupils and in the areas and there you live and who Who are the poor and who don't? You don't have enough and to eat and or wears, and somewhat, and sometimes, and not even a place to live. Need. Who are poor or who don't have enough and to eat or the beers and sometimes, and not even a place to the life, and this the different is not to the different is not the same as the one and we have seen. We have seen earlier have and we are where we have talking not of different but of inequalities, and the inequalities come about when other person and have the resources does not have the resources and opportunities that are available to other persons. The caste system is another example of inequalities, and according to this, the society was divided into different groups depending upon the works and that the people did and they were the supported and to the remains in thus the groups. And so if your parents and were the potters and you could only becomes other potters, nothing else. This system was the considered as the irreversible, and because you were not supported to change your the professions, and it was not considered necessary for you to know anything more than and what you needed and in your the professions, and this created the situation of the inequality. You will read more about and this and others the inequalities in the following chapters. What does diversities aid to our the life? Just like Samir ek or the Samir do and because become friends, and you might have the friends and who are very different from and you have the probably is eaten different kind of the food in theirs the homes and celebrated the different festivals and with them tied out the cloth, and they wears the learn and some of theirs the language as well. Make the list of the food and that you have eaten from the different part of India. Make the list of the language and beside you are the mothers and tongue and that you can speak aid the least and one or the two words of for were forced to live in other place and wares and all the pupils and wore the same and to the colors and red and white are the same. White are the same. White is the same food. Maybe potatoes and took care of the same to the animals, and for examples the deers and the cat and to the entertain and themselves played snakes and the leaders what kind of the story and do you think and they would write. Imagine that and you are other writers or and the artist and who lives in the place Describe above either and write other story or draw the picture of yours the life here. Life here and do you think and you that do you think and you would and enjoy and living in a palace and like this and live fast and different the things and they and that you the would and miss the bell most and if you lived here. Diversity in India. India is the country of many the diversity and we speak the different language and have the various types of the food and celebrate different the festival practices different religion but actually and if you the think and about it and we do many the things and that are the similar expected and that we do them in the different ways. How do we the explain diversity a little more and then to the different to the 100 year ago or long and before the trains and aeroplanes buses or car and become other part of the our lives and pupils and travels from one part of the world and to the another in ships or horses on camels or on the foot. List eight the least and three the different ways in which the pupils in India's and do the following one of the possible answer and has been the provided and for you already. Different way in which the pupils and pray. Different way in the which pupils and get married. Different way in which the pupils dressed. Different ways in which the pupils greet each other. Different way in which the pupils cook rice. Often they want in the search of new lands and or the new places and to settle in or the for and the pupils too. People to trade and with and the because it took and so long to the travels and once they got and to other place and people stayed and there the often for other long time and many others the left and theirs home the because खराब नहीं कर दी तुमने
नहीं करी भगवान कसम मोह चाहिए यार नेक दे
खराब हो गई मुँह नहीं पत कौन ने कर दी देयर वेयर द फेमिनी और खराब हो रही है फेमिनेज एंड द ड्रोट्स एंड नन्य एंड दे could not and get the enough and to eat some wants and to in the search of the work and while the others are left because other was in the war. Sometime as they begins to make and there's the home in new places and pupils begins to change a little and ate the others times and they manage to do things in the old ways so their language food music religions becomes the mix of the old and the new and out of this the intermixings of the cultures and come the somethings and new or the different and the history of many palaces and so use and how many different cultures and influences have helped to save life and the cultures. There and thus the religions and became very diverse and because of theirs the unique histories. Similarly and diversities also comes and about when the people adapt and their the lives and to the geographical areas in which they live and for examples living near the seas and is the quite different from the living in other mountainous area. Not only do the pupils have the different clothes and the eating and eating habits and but even the kind of the work and they do are the different in the cities and it is the often easy to forget and how the closely and pupils lives are the tried to the there's the physical surroundings and this is the because and in the cities pupils seldom and grow there among the vegetables and grain and instead grain Instead, they depend on the market and to buy all the food and the other and good that they need. And let us the try to the understand and what we the means, and when we said that the historical and the geographical factors and influences the diversity of other religions, and we can do, and this why the reading about the life into the different parts of the country Kerala and Ladakh. Look at the map of the Indias is in the atlas, and locate the Kerala and the Ladakh, and can you list and three ways in the which the different geographical locations of thus the two religions and would influences of following the food pupils eat, the clothes they wears, and the works they do. Ladakh is other desert in the mountain in the eastern part of the Jammu and Kashmir, and very little agriculture is possible here. The scenes and this the reason does not receive and any the rain and is covered in the snow, and for other large part of the years and there are very few trees and that and can grow in the religion, and for the drinking waters and pupils depend on the melting snow, and during the summer months people here keep sheep and goat, and the goal in this regions and are the special because they produced Pasmina's wool, and this the wool is the prized and the Pasmina's shows and cost is lot of the money, and the people in the Ladakh carefully collect the wool of the goats, and this is the traders from the Kashmir, and Pashmina's shows are the chiefly women in Kashmir. The pupils eat meat and the milk product and like the cheese and butters, and each families owns some the goats and cow and the desert yak and cows, and being other desert and did not mean that Ladakh did not attack and its shares of the traders. It was the considered the good trade and route as it has many passes through which the caravans travels to what is today called Tibet, and thus the caravans carried textile and the spices and raw silk and the carpets. Thank you guys.